Next up, sila namang dalawa, they won't get away. Kasi ang ipapakita nila sa lahat ay ang pag-ibig ng ating Totga. Ito po ay mga kapatid ko rin sa Rise. Let's all welcome my beautiful sister, Shania Gomez, and my poging-poging brother, JC Alcantara.
Grabe naman. Hello po.
Hello. Hi, JC. Hello to all the Kapamilya's watching right now. Hi.
Ang una kong tanong, bakit fresh?
Fresh?
Oo.
Baka kay JC yun, JC.
Kayong dalawa, bakit fresh? Saan nagmumula yan?
Happy. Masaya sa buhay. Masaya sa buhay.
Good
Wala,
answer.
siguro nasa province kasi ko kaya fresh ako.
Okay.
Fresh ako kasi kanina, I've been here kanina pa and I've been listening to all of these stories and all of the kilig stuff happening. So, syempre naman, who doesn't become fresh with all of this love and kilig stories? Diba?
Wala pa eh.
Ay, wow! Wala pa, pero mamaya.
Thank you so much for tuning in and for keeping up with us. Alam ko matagal kayong naghintay, pero kitang-kita yung excitement ninyong dalawa at salamat sa oportunidad na makausap ko kayo at the moment. Love Bites Totga. Kayo bang dalawa, mayroon ba kayong person who got away at the moment? Diba? Mayroon ba kayong makakonsider now na, oh, that person got away?
Ikaw siya yung
Hello! Okay, sige. For me, siguro, I guess in a way, yeah. Meron siguro. I mean, I was young. I still am young. I'm only 20 years old naman. Pero, I mean, I'm sure there's always, there's that person na parang, in a way, it's like, what if? Or what could we have been? Parang ganon. Or what would have happened if we were still together now? Or parang ganon. Or if we became something. So, for me, siguro oo. Pero at the same time, alam ko na parang bata pa naman ako. So.
Definitely. Oo, marami ka pang mararanasan. And ngayon parang feeling ko dahil ang dami mo ng references na naririnig, nakikita, mas may alam ka na on how to handle love. And it will be an interesting ride for you.
For sure, yes. I love hearing the stories on like, how to handle things like that. I mean, I always want to learn. Diba?
Si JC naman.
Totga? Parang, ano ba yung Totga? Ano ba?
Alam! Di mo pala alam. The one that got away kasi JC.
Meron din. Siyempre, sa lahat ng experience ko sa naka-relationship ko, naramdaman ko rin yung moment na yon. Kumbaga, like yung sinabi nga ni Shania, bata pa lang tayo, may mararating pa tayo. Minsan kasi pag hindi natin alam na, pumasok tayo sa ganitong relasyon, pero sobrang higpit, so hindi natin magawa yung gusto natin. Hindi tayo maka-explore pa ng pangarap natin kasi hinihigpitan tayo. So, ayun.
May pagkakataon ba na nakakabit dito yung pagsisisi sa Totga, JC?
Oo, meron. Pero hindi, parang love kasi hindi mo rin masisisi. So, kumbaga, akala mo yun na. Akala mo susuportahan ka. Pero, pag tumatagal pala, parang, siguro sa experience ko before yun, na mas mabuti nang hindi kami tumuloy sa ganun. Kasi, sobrang toxic na hindi ko makuha yung pangarap ko. Gusto ko kasi yung sinusuportahan ako, suportahan kami sa pangarap namin. Kasi ayaw niyang mapunta ako sa pangarap ko, like maging artista before. So hindi niya gusto yun kasi marami daw siyang magiging kaagaw sa akin. Hindi pa ako nag-showbiz nun. Sabi ko, bakit naman? Kasi ito yung pangarap ko eh. So siguro yun na yung hint ni God na hindi talaga to yung para sa akin. Na paano pa kung darating yung panahon na meron akong gusto pero binabawalan niya pala ako. So hindi ko magagawa yung mga pangarap ko.
I think it was the best decision. I get, 'di ba? Parang lagi nating sinasabi sa pag-ibig, ang magkarelasyon ay partners, and that person or the people involved in a relationship rather must always bring out the best in each other, na sinusuportahan at inaalalayan ng isa't isa patungo sa paglago, at kung ang paglago ay pangarap, dapat laging nakaangkla doon. And I'm happy that you are blossoming as an actor at the moment. 'Di ba? Dahil ito yung mga desisyon na magdadala sa atin sa fullest potential natin. 'Di ba? Ikaw naman, Shania, what if you'll have that moment na you are in love with someone, pero para sa kanya, ang pagkabilang mo sa showbiz industry will be a hindrance to cultivating the relationship. How would you feel?
Ayun. So, I completely agree naman with like everything that JC said na parang in a relationship, you both have to build each other up and you both have to support each other in everything that they do. And for me, trust is one of the biggest things, the biggest things in a relationship, whether you're in showbiz or not. So if I get into a relationship with someone, I have to know that they trust me, that they trust that even if I'm in showbiz, even if I have like a love team or if I have a partner for a show, they trust that at the end of the day, it's just work and it's completely professional. So of course, parang if that's something that every time I come home from work, galing shoot, na parang, who's your partner? Sino si JC? Anong parang gano'n, alam mo yung parang gano'n. So parang, di ko talaga kaya kasi maging toxic po talaga yung relationship, and it will come to a point na it will definitely affect your work. Imagine coming to work na dapat in love ka, tapos you're fighting with your boyfriend about your partner. So parang, you're really not gonna be able to do your best. And para sa akin, I really want to give everything that I have in every job that I do. So, ayun naman po. Siguro that in a way, that's the Lord's way of saying na maybe it's better off na, you find someone that will help build you up to become a better person in general. And
Siyempre dapat may trust din, di ba?
oo naman.
Lalo na
diba?
nasa work tayo ng ganitong industry.
Oo, yes. Especially yung mga ganito, yung parang love team or kilig, love bites and stuff like that. So, ayun naman po.
Ako naman, I'm a believer na kapag hindi kayo nagkatuluyan, hindi kayo bagay at hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. So lagi kang, kumbaga parang be grateful that that person happened because nagkaroon siya ng contribution sa paglago mo bilang tao. Sadya lang talaga na hindi kayo para sa isa't isa. Sa usapang Totga, lagi nating sinasabi na siya yung the one that got away. Ito naman, kabaliktaran yan. If ever a person lets you go, do you think you are the person that got away? Can you call yourself as someone's Totga? Pinakawalan niya kasi ako.
For me, for me, it really depends po talaga on the person. Like, I cannot say na, I was their Totga, unless they told me themselves naman, diba? Kasi, in a way, besides the fact that parang, no, Schumer naman ito, pero parang, in a way, for me, there's a reason that they let me go, or they let their partner go. And, like the saying, if you love them, let them go. And if it's meant to be, if you guys are really meant to be, sooner or later, kahit 10 years down the road, 30 years down the road, even, who knows, you guys will find your way back to each other. So, for me, I can't say, like, for me, I cannot say na parang, I can say na I'm their Totga. Parang, it really depends on that person. Ikaw naman, JC. Are you someone's Totga?
Or masasabi mo ba na at the moment, given your qualities, 'di ba? Maaari kang maging Totga kapag pinakawalan ka.
Oo naman. Hindi, 'di ba? Alam mo 'yun, marami din kasi kong personalities na kayang ibigay sa mamahalin ko. And before na experience ko rin 'yan eh. Ang pinili niya yung pinsan ko. So, ang sakit lang, di ba?
Ah,
Ayun, so na-experience ko yan nung high school ako. Sabi ko, hindi naman to kawalan. Mas marami pang better na may makikilala ako at mas magugustuhan ako. Siguro, hindi rin sila nagtagal. Kaya,
Alo! Alam mo,
Gusto ko yun.
for me ha, mas gusto ko nga na parang sila nga yung parang yung end game or sila na till the end. Kasi parang, hello, he chose parang someone else over me. Pero at least sila na talaga. I mean, till the end. So that in a way, it's parang, if I stayed with that person, I would have kept them from finding there forever. Parang ganon. Parang ganon yung train of thought ko.
saka syempre alam din naman natin yung worth natin, di ba? Parang ikaw, di ba?
Yeah.
You know your best and your worst sides, di ba? At ang mahalaga na acknowledge mo yon na ito yung mga bagay na okay sa akin at meron din akong mga dark sides at ito yung mga hindi okay sa akin that I have to work on. Di ba? It's really self-awareness that allows us to see our worth as people, worthy to be loved. And at the same time, doon mo talaga makikita na, okay, may halaga ako sa mga taong makakasalamuha at makakaniig ko in terms of pag-ibig. But if it happens na hindi kami magkatuluyan, at least nagbigay ako ng sarili ko sa kanya. Dito naman sa episode nito na Totga, ano ang babaunin ninyong aral na sa tingin ninyo ma-apply ninyo sa inyong relationship in the future?
No. No. Okay. Ikaw muna, JC.
Kasi sa akin medyo parang makakasakit ako pero ma-understand ng mga tao yung pupuntahan ko.
Yeah.
So, hindi pa kasi nila, napanood na ba nila na sa
Hindi
Krista
pa.
na to? Alam nila. Hindi ba naman, no?
Hindi pa. Hindi
Oh.
pa fully disclosed.
Oh, ayoko na sabihin kasi baka malaman nila yung story kung bakit yun, ganun.
Yeah, pero super complicated kasi yung
Oo.
episode, yung story po namin ni JC. Pero, if I were to parang go off, ayun, like a lesson, based on our episode, hala, ang hirap ng episode pala namin, JC, ano.
Kaya,
Pero, pero for me, siguro it's just to live with no regrets. Parang ganon. Life is so short. You know, it really is very, very short and you only live once talaga. So if there's something, just, you know, if you have a crush, parang, I mean, lang, just say it, or you know what I mean? Just live your life to the fullest. And then if it doesn't work out, okay lang, it doesn't work out. At least walang regrets. At least walang, hello, what if I said that I liked him? Would he have liked me back? Parang ganon. Kaysa, you know what I mean? So just live with no regrets and just enjoy life and just know that life is so short. But at the same time, don't let go of who you are, your beliefs, and ayun po, kung sino ka talaga as a person.
meron pala ako.
Ayan.
Ayun. Kumbaga, pag nagdesisyon ka sa love, dapat alam ko rin kung ano yung pupuntahan kong pangarap. Kasi pag pinagsabay mo yan, love at pangarap mo, naglag ba ako? Parang lag ako.
Hindi. We're listening.
Hello?
Hindi.
Ayan,
Kapiling ka
siya.
pa rin namin, JC.
Hello?
Hello? Ayan.
Ayan. Eto. Parang ang hirap pala nung role ko. Kasi nagpaasa ako dito, di ba? Kumbaga, pag decision ka, dapat nasa puso mo na.
Yeah.
Alam, buong-buo ka na magmahal or yung pangarap mo. Kung saan sa dalawa yung mangingibabaw, dapat wag ka kung parang ang gulo ng explanation ko.
So far, ang nakukuha namin ay, yun nga, pag nagmamahal ka, dapat alam mo rin kung saan ka patutungo.
Yes, parang, ayun, ganun.
Oo.
Parang I think what he's trying to say is make sure you're not giving up a piece of yourself or yung pangarap mo para sa love. Make sure you know, 'di ba, what you're getting into. Parang ganun. Wow, same mind.
Hindi kasi, di ba lagi nilang sinasabi yung katagang, a person must complete me. And I disagree with that because somehow when you enter a relationship, you must be whole yourself because you're an individual and you will be offering that kind of self to the other person so that you can complement each other. Not complete each other, but complement each other. Kaya napakaganda nung sinabi ni JC na wag mong bitawan yung mga bagay na gusto mong patunguhan habang ikaw ay umiibig dahil bahagi yun ng sarili mo.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Maraming salamat, JC and
Thank-
Shania, for the wonderful chat. Looking forward to your episode for Love Bites.
Please guys, panoorin niyo po this September 16 na po.
Ang style. Yes. Hello po everyone, mga kapamilya. Please do not forget to watch Love Bites, not just my episode naman po with JC, but of course all of the episodes here. I'm sure you guys will definitely enjoy and you will learn a lot from all of the episodes. So ayun, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Shania and JC. Please don't forget to watch Love Bites. This is produced by ABS-CBN Entertainment and RCD Narratives. A special shout out sa lahat ng mga producers, sa lahat ng mga writers, sa ating kapatid na si Jerry Gracio na talagang kumatha ng mga magagandang pag-ibig na real life na siguradong mabibigyan tayo ng inspirasyon at pag-asa pagdating sa pag-ibig. And these episodes are directed by two of the finest Kapamilya directors. One who just started his career as a director, Direk Kevin Alhambra, and the institution himself, Direk Dado Lumibaw. 8 linggo po natin yang mapapanood every Friday from September 16. Sa September 23 naman po, it's One Tweet Away starring Karina Bautista and Jello Marquez. September 30, it's The First and Last Love featuring Kaiza Villalino and Concon Felix. That's a girl's love story. Sa October 7 naman, manalig tayo sa pagtatagpo ng ating mga bituin kasama si Miss Astrologer Andy Abaya at ang kanyang katagpo na si Kobe Brown. October 40 naman, it's Trans Love. And raising the trans flag with pride is Angela Trajano together with Christoph Garcia. October 21, another LGBT love story, a boys love series, anthology episode naman featuring Sky Quizon, Nico Antonio, and Genesis Redido. October 28, Usapang Totga naman with Shania Gomez and JC Alcantara. At November 4, bilang panghuling episode pero pasabog na pasabog para sa lahat ng mga naniniwala sa pag-ibig no matter what age you are in. Dimples Romana, Miko Raval, Angelica Lau, and Lance Carr in Letters for Leia. Again, 8 beautiful, based on real life love stories na magsasabi sa ating love truly bites. And this is an offering to the 41 million subscribers ng ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel. Mga kapamilya, maraming salamat po dahil kayo ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nagpapatuloy. Dahil sa huli, ang pag-ibig ng ABS-CBN, ang pag-ibig ng RCD Narratives ay mananatiling kakagat at mag-iiwan ng marka para sa ating lahat. Para magsabing, love always heals, love always moves, love always wins, and love bites. Ako po si Ms. Mela Habijan and I had the pleasure of being with you. To our Kapamilya Press, maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.